Hey guys, what's going on? So today, I'm going to be doing some more stuff to the Chev. As you can see, I got some window tint for the back window. Got some oil. I got an oil filter. So I'm going to do an oil change on it. I'm going to chop off that muffler that's on it right now. Basically because it's not loud enough for me. So I'm going to do that. And I think there's a couple other little things. I don't know. I found a subwoofer on Use Victoria, and it was one of the bazooka bass tubes. He only wanted $40 for it, and it comes with some wiring. The only problem is it's like an hour drive away, so not sure if I'm willing to do that. But then again, it's $40, so see what I decide about that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do these things. Cold start. No way near loud enough. Alright, so now that she's all warmed up, here's the exhaust right now. No cat, it's just a thrush muffler. Not sure what type of thrush it is. Maybe it's a thrush welded. I have no idea. But it's way too quiet either way. Car ramps. Gonna give it an oil change now and then hack that thing off, I think. Chevy truck. This is the part number you want. The other one was a Quaker State, but it's a 3980. That's how much oil was in it. This is a little decent sized bucket. 5 liters will definitely cover it. Yeah, so 305. Oil drain plug is a 9/16. And yeah, just gotta fill it with the new oil now. Change is all done. Now I'm gonna give her a grease job. And we'll go from there. I'm not sure what else I want to do today. I guess, yeah, we'll see. Oil change is done. I'm gonna clean the back window and get some tint in it. And I'll get off these blocks too. Alright, so we got the back window tint on. It's kind of difficult to get on, but yeah, it's on. So now I'm gonna give the engine a wash and cut off that muffler. Chevy 305, no cats, no muffler, straight pipe. That sounds good. Straight pipe. It's straight piped. We're just fabbing up an exhaust. So this right here is going to be going into the existing pipe. We're going to cut it like right there. And then it's going to go into the cherry bomb. I just finished welding it. And then yeah, then it's going to be the exit pipe, and then we're going to see how far we need to cut this off, and then this tip is going to go right on the end there. And this tip is like a little muffler, but the glass pack sounds really good, so probably going to cut it about there and have the tip on. We just had this lying around. We've had this for like a couple of years or more, just had no use for it. Now we do. So yeah, that's our exhaust for right now. And just gotta finish up with it after I have some lunch. Alright, just finished the exhaust. It's got this little muffler tip and then a glass pack. So let's see how it sounds.
Want me to fire it up?
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, that sounds good. Oh my god. There we go. Fresh exhaust. Sounds good. So there we go. Exhaust done, windows done, and yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna call it a day. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more.